How to find email notifications settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email notifications settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then just click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find the push notifications. Just click on it and then scroll down again until you find this one, email notifications, and as you see here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.